Hi everyone, today I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. First of all, you need to open Coinbase app and log into your account. After you log in, you will click your portfolio. As you see, I have $20 Ethereum coin. Now, to transfer this Ethereum coin to my Coinbase wallet, you need to click transfer. You see here to a crypto address, email or phone number, you click here. Now, you need to paste a crypto address here. You go to your Coinbase Wallet app. And then you go to transfer. You go to receive here. Now it will show you a lot of address, but now I need to receive Ethereum coin, so I need Ethereum address. You see here? I will click here. Now I finally copy the Ethereum address. I will go back to my Coinbase. I will click allow paste. Now I will paste the address. Now I will choose Ethereum coin, $20. Before we copy Ethereum address, so now we need to choose Ethereum network. You will choose the amount you want to send. I will choose max. You need to enter your full name. You will click Self Wallet in the top. You click Continue. Send now. Okay, you finally finished. Just need to wait some couple minutes. The Ethereum coin will go to my Coinbase wallet. I will open my Coinbase wallet. I haven't received Ethereum yet, so I need to wait some couple minutes. After 2 or 3 minutes, I finally received my $20 Ethereum coin. You can check here. You can check the history. Okay, I hope this tutorial will help you transfer crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. If you have any issue or you need to ask anything, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching my videos and hopefully I will see you again in my future videos.